Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll start 9th class mathematics book. So let's get started. As you can see, there are different units from unit 1 to unit 17. Basically this part is from basic mathematics and this is from descriptive geometry, and this is totally optional. So I'll start teaching by unit 1 and then from to unit 9. So let's get started with our unit 1, which is matrices and determinants. Here are the unit outlines: introduction to matrices, types of matrices, addition and subtraction of matrices, multiplication of matrices, multiplicative inverse of a matrix, solution of simultaneous linear equations. So start with 1.1. Matrix. Basically a matrix is an array or formation of a collection of real numbers, say 0, 1, 3, 4 and 7, such as this, and then enclosed by brackets, square brackets, is said to form a matrix. Similarly, this is a matrix. For example, we have real entries and we want to make a matrix. So we write them in an array form and then enclosed them by a bracket, and then we call them a matrix. For example, this is a matrix and this is a matrix, and the entries in horizontal way are called rows, and the entries in vertical way are called columns. For example, we can see that there are 2 rows in this matrix and there are 3 columns in this matrix, and we always denote a matrix by capital letters, alphabets. For example, let A is equals to this matrix and B is equals to this matrix. We denote the number of rows by N and the number of columns by M. Let's talk about the order of a matrix. Order of matrix is basically the number of rows into number of columns. We always write number of rows first and then number of columns. For example, the order of this matrix is there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So the order of matrix A is equals to 2 cross 3. You can see N cross M. This is the order of this matrix A. Similarly, the order of matrix B is there are 2 rows and 2 columns because this is a square matrix. So the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Matrix A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and the matrix B is equals to 2, 3, 5, 6. As you can see, the order of A is equals to 2 cross 2 and the order of B is equals to 2 cross 2. We can see the order of both matrices are equal, but their corresponding entries are not equal. So we can't write A is equals to B. For example, C is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and D is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the order of this matrix is equals to order of this matrix. Further, their corresponding entries are equal. So we can say that C is equals to D. Okay, this is for today.